Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to set row on to print on every page in Excel. Okay. Now select this row and go to page layout, margins, select customs margins and click shift rows to repeat a top. Okay. Now click the rows. Okay. And and you added this custom header or footer. Select custom header and type your left section, center section, right section. Okay. You write your any sentence, the center section. Now click OK. Go to print. Now we can see this page on added header and page 2 automatically adjust to header every page. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.